Staring at the stars in the back of my car. Trying to figure out just who we are. Catching moments on our phones, taking pictures, call it home. Picking words out of our favorite songs, our favorite songs. We can stay up all night. Yeah, we'll show them we were right. The city is ours for life. Will you take my hand tonight? We can stay.
Okay, so when we started off in this bathroom, it wasn't that bad, but we are thinking we want to redo it. So these light bulbs are kind of a pain in the ass to find, and we can't find them anywhere without them being, you know, costing an arm and a leg. So we are going to replace those. And it's not a bad bathroom. It's just very beige. I don't know, kind of like when we bought this house, it pretty much looked like this. The whole bathroom was orange, was this orange color. And they did this tile work. And it's going to be a little awkward to do because this is my sister's bathroom, but it is also the guest bathroom. So we need to find a way to do it where we're not hindering her. And I mean, it's not bad. It's just the people that we actually, I guess when we bought this, when we first came in, this here was a nasty, nasty, nasty brown color. And I repainted it, but I want to buy new hardware, which would be nice. And the tile, I mean, I'm sure a lot of people would like it, but I don't. So to continue, the people that we actually bought this house from, they redid the tile in the bathroom, and it's just, I don't know what they did. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like you can fit almost an entire finger. There's this lip. I don't know how to show you guys. But it's like there's this huge lip, so it's going to make doing anything else in this bathroom kind of hard, because I want to do the peel and stick pop tiles like everyone else is doing, but I guess I'm going to try to find something that's the size of this, and it's not the standard size of normal tiles. These are large tiles, and I don't know if you guys actually noticed, but they're the same in the bathroom, or in the shower. It's the exact same tile. And I don't like that, and it's such a warm color that I'm not liking it. And the little accent tiles here, same in the lining of the window. And I know I'm not really going to change that, but maybe it'll look better once we redo the flooring. Maybe this color will look a lot nicer. And we're not going to redo the granite because it is a really thick slab of granite, and people for this, so we're just going to leave it. I wish I could make this bathroom more cool toned. I think that would make me like it a lot better, but gotta work with what you have. So we're going to work around this piece of granite. I don't know if we're going to repaint that orange. I kind of like the orange, and everyone else who comes into the bathroom really likes the orange, so we'll see. These are all just ideas. I don't know. We'll see. And it would be nice to redo all the trim and do more of the craftsman style trim, so it's more blocky to kind of match the new addition. But that's kind of we'll see, because over here behind the door, it is so small that I don't know if we're going to be able to fit the Craftsman without having to rip it, and that's not really something we're looking into doing right now, but we might have to do that. We do have a table saw, so it won't be too difficult. But yeah, let's see what happens and hope for the best. And again, this is my sister's bathroom / our guest bathroom, so it has to be done fairly quickly. Oh yeah, I didn't even mention. Look, same tile. The backsplash is the same as the shower. It's like, I mean, I get it, but it almost seems like they should have just tiled the entire wall and just gotten over with, make the whole thing waterproof. I don't know why they would do the same. They should have switched it up. I don't know, it's kind of like our master bathroom where we did slate and then we did marble on the walls. So it's just, you need a difference. You can't just have same and same. It looks weird. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. Wish me luck.
Are you doing it?
You can do it.
You already going?
Yep.
color. It looks watery.
Does it? I shook it.
Yes?
Yeah. Should I some more?
No, it's okay. It's watery. You stir it. Want me to do one?
Do you want to do one?
Sure.
Eva! There's a bee by you.
Clear. Go.
What you doing, Eva? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Solo. Hi, Solo. I know. I don't think that'll be a problem. I see why people wear earbuds. So we run into a little dilemma. We don't know if we have that same paint color, so let's see what we have. Let's hopefully, fingers crossed that it's there somewhere. We'll see. That stinks. Yeah, that's real gray.
Huh?
That's real gray. It's not blue. I should have organized this time. Sink! Dude, what are you eating?
Nope.
We don't have it?
Nope.
We have to repaint that? Unless you remember what it was? No? Well, great. What color is it gonna be? Should we just do one that's close to the same as that house? That way it's,
Well, what about
pretty similar, so we won't have to do as many coats. Probably get away with one.
what about this here? I've never used this.
And what is this? Green?
Frosted pine
Yeah, I guess. That might be interesting.
with the orange though.
Well, what if we repaint the orange? I don't know if I want to keep the orange.
That's pretty old. I don't want to do this today.
No, that's okay. So, green it is. I mean, I like the color.
Frosted pine.
I've always wanted to do cabinets that color, so I guess here's our chance. All right.
Where did this come from?
I don't know.
I think it was in here when we bought it. Is this?
It
what
wasn't.
the- No.
Okay. Insert photo, but we thought. Yeah, I don't think that's
Was
the
that
same
the
color.
kitchen?
No, they're the colors
Oh,
that
it
they
was
chose.
yellow.
Yeah,
The kitchen was green.
but it wasn't that green. It was like a lime
Lime?
green. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't think that's it. What else would we have chosen green for? Oh, I guess that's my project. Should we just take all of the screws off? And just,
Candles?
yeah,
Well, then
on
the
all the
face-
faces. Yeah, just have Vera just come home. Where is everything?
No.
I mean, it's the weekend.
Are you gonna do it today?
I can after we come back.
Okay.
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 Come on, chickens. Come on. Hey. Hey, you. One chicken, listen. Hey, Solo. What's up, dude? So, we're just taking it all off now. My sister come home to nothing. Maybe we should just take off all the doors, because I got told that it's easier to just take off the doors and everything and then put it back on.
It's up to you.
Yeah? It's easier. I would much rather do that. And then do it all at once instead of take...
We want to mark these Sharpie out there or something.
wanted to repaint it, but we didn't actually have the same paint that we originally painted the cabinets. The original cabinets were kind of a gray color, so we just kind of, instead of buying a new gallon of paint, we decided to just get the whatever we had in the garage, because there's no point of buying a new gallon to just use a little bit of it. So we just chose what we had. So I think what I'm just trying to say is that when we moved into this house, a lot of our house was beige. We repainted everything beige. I mean, the outside of our house was even beige. It was just a lighter beige than the inside of our house. And at the time, it looked great. I mean, we just moved in and we thought beige was what you're supposed to have in a house. So, I mean, that's what we did. And we enjoyed it for some time. And then I think as soon as we started getting more comfortable in our house, we decided that, you know, we do have some sort of style that we like to see in a home. We went to a lot of open homes to kind of get ideas, because we did, at some point, we did want to sell, but we kind of talked about it, and we just decided against it. Like I said before, where prices skyrocketed, and then we just realized that we just have to make our house what it is. So we decided to look at open houses, see what people were selling their houses for, and kind of like what they were doing in their houses. And a lot of the houses that we went to were by the mid-century modern realtor, and it was good to see that. A lot of it was more old styled homes, not mid-century. It was just old, trying to claim that it was mid-century. We got really good ideas, obviously, we did. There was some good stuff that we saw, like the wood accent thing in the backyard, had the tiki torches on it, and we saw their furniture, and heck, we even went to our next door neighbor when she was about to move in and the house was on the market. They redid the entire thing, and we saw the furniture that they used. We asked them, and we looked at it. We went to the websites and looked, and it was ridiculously expensive, so we had to figure out another way, kind of do our own style, our own twist on it. And I mean, we're still not done. A lot of our furniture is just stuff that we've had for forever, and we just put stuff on top of it to make it look better. I don't know, we're getting there. It would be nice to get all new furniture, but then again, we don't want to cause unnecessary waste just because we don't like the style of something, so just kind of change up what we have. So we're gonna work on that. I don't know, we'll see what happens, but I just know since we moved in, I haven't liked this bathroom and I wanted to change it up. And I mean, I'm sure a lot of people, they would say it's fine and there's no need to work on it, but it's just something that kind of doesn't go with the rest of the house, doesn't really mix well with everything else. The style is just off. So we're gonna redo it and see what happens.
Staring at the stars in the back of my car. Huh. Trying to figure out just who we are.